one thing that most persons are not even aware of. Most persons do not know that the quality of their videos depends on the model that you use in generating that video. In today's video, I will be introducing you to a platform that will enable you to generate your videos using one of the latest models. This particular model I am talking about is very expensive if you want to purchase it, but because I know you're just like me, we don't have the resources for us to start subscribing at this moment, so we will leverage on these free tools. So if this sounds like a video you love to watch, this is me urging you to watch it from start to finish, because in this video I will be introducing you to two good AI tools, two good AI platforms that will enable you to use Seedance 2.0 for free. Do well to like this video, do well to share this video. If you have questions, please kindly leave it in the comment section. So because I don't want this video to be long, we are going to do everything right here. So I'll turn on my screen recorder. Let's get started. So my screen recorder is on. First thing I will do is for me to head straight to my browser. For the sake of this tutorial, I will be using Google browser. You may want to use any browser of your choice. So here on my browser, I'll go ahead and type ThankYou AI. ThankYou AI. So I'm gonna head to click on ThankYou AI. I have clicked on it and it has brought me to this interface. So as it brought me to this interface, first of all, I want you to put your phone in desktop side so that you can have access to all the features on this platform. So in order for you to put your phone in desktop side, if you look up here, if you click on these three dots, you will see desktop site. Then you go ahead and put your phone. So like right now, my phone is in desktop site already. All I'm gonna do at this point is for me to go ahead and sign in. It is imperative you sign in on this platform. So looking up here, I've seen sign in. I'm gonna head to click on sign in, and all I will do at this point is for me to sign in using my Google account. I'm gonna head to click on Google account, and it will tell me to choose a specific Google account of my choice. Now I'm gonna head to choose this particular Google account, and it is loading. So here it says sign in to ThankYouAI.com. If you check below here, you will see continue. All I will do at this point is for me to click on continue. Now I'm gonna head to click on continue, and this is the interface it has brought me to. Here it says if I want to apply for invite code. No, I am not applying for that. So I'll go ahead and click skip. If you don't click skip, you may not proceed from this stage. Now guys, look at this interface. This is where it has brought us to, and it is under agent. So all I will do now is for me to get my prompt. So I'll go ahead and minimize. I'll go straight to my note. I have my prompt already written down because I don't want to waste your time. So here I'll go ahead and copy my prompt. I have gone ahead to copy my prompt. I'll minimize again, then I'll come back here to ThankYou AI. Now I am here. I'll go ahead and click on video. Now that I've gone ahead to click on video, I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. Now that I've gone ahead to paste my prompt, let me minimize. I've gone ahead to paste my prompt. Okay, if you click on this stuff, I don't know if you can see this. Let me highlight it for you. If you click on this thing, this particular stuff here, now it will bring out all of this for you. All you have to do at this point is for you to click on it. You see reference here, you see the resolution, you see a little dot, you click on it. Now once you click on it, you see the aspect ratio. You go ahead and put it in either 16:9 or 9:16 or any aspect ratio of your choice. So if you scroll down, you see audio, you see other things, you see duration. You may want to increase the duration, but personally I think I love it the way it is already. So this is what I'm gonna do. At this point, I'll just go ahead and hit generate. Now Once you hit generate, it will begin to generate for us. If you look like right now, it is already loading. So ThankYou AI is going to generate this video for us with 0 credit. So looking at it like right now, if you check below here, it says queuing. Our video is queuing, is on a queue. So because we are using the free version, we have other persons who are using this platform, so it has to be on a queue. So guys, let's wait for this video to get done generating. Once it is done, we will watch it together. Alright guys, so now that we are done with that particular platform, let me take you to another platform that will enable you to generate your videos using reference image. Because at this point, I know most of us, we want to generate AI videos, but we want to use our own image, the image we generated from somewhere else. So in order for us to do that, all I want you to do is for you to follow me to my Play Store. That's what I want you to do. So here on my Play Store, I'm gonna head to click on search. Up here where it says search apps and games, I'll go ahead and type $AI. Now once you search $AI, this is the one it will display for you. This first one here. At this point, I'll go ahead and click on open. Now if yours is not showing open, it means you don't have it already. Mine is showing open because I have it already in my phone. Now these are other things that I have done using $AI. So all I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and click on this AI creation. Now let me tell you one thing about $AI. If you're using it for the first time, you need to sign in using your Google account. If not, you won't have this interface. So I'll go ahead and click on AI creation. I have clicked on AI creation. I'll go ahead and put it under video. If you check here, you'll see video. I'm gonna head to put it under video. What I will do next is for me to go ahead and click on model. You go ahead and click on model. I have clicked on model, and all I will do at this point is for me to put it in Seedance 2.0 fast, not just Seedance 2.0 fast. Now it is ticked already. Now all I will do now is for me to go ahead and click on this reference. This reference stands for reference image. It means you want to bring in your own image. Now I'm gonna head to click on it, and here I'll go ahead and click on my image, and then I'll click on OK. Now we've brought in our image. What we are going to do next is for us to choose the aspect ratio. So in order for us to choose the aspect ratio, I'll go ahead and click on ratio 9:16. That is it by default. Now I've clicked on it. I'll go ahead and choose 16:9. I've chosen 16:9, and if you check here, you notice that it will generate our video for us in 10 seconds. So at this point, I'll minimize. I'll come here to my notes. And I will copy my prompt. What I want the AI to say. I have copied my prompt. I'll come back here to the platform. Then I'll go ahead and paste it. Now I have pasted it. I'll go ahead and hit generate. So at this point, it will begin to analyze what I have told it to do. Can you hear what it is saying? It says it is going to generate my video for me using Seedance 2.0 model, and it will take about 1 to 3 minutes. So the good thing about this platform is this: once it is done generating for you, they will notify you. They will notify you. Just hear one pew, you know that $AI is done generating for you. Now if you look here, you see for likeness protection, videos cannot be generated from the image of real people. Use another image or create a video from text. Now in a situation where you get this kind of feedback from $AI, you don't need to panic. It means that this image looks like someone somehow, because they don't want to be sued, so they are not going to generate this video for you. So all you do at this point is this: you can go ahead and minimize. Once you minimize, you come to Flow Beta. Now once you come to Flow Beta, you go ahead and sign up using your Google account. At this point, I want to believe you've already signed up on Flow Beta. If you haven't, if you don't know how to use it, if you are new, you haven't seen me for the first time, let me know in the comment section so that I can tag you to the video where you can follow up things step by step. So I'll go ahead and click on New. I've gone ahead to click on New. I'll click on this plus sign. I'll click on Image. I'll click on I agree. I'll click on the image. I'll click on Done, and I'll change the aspect ratio to 16:9. I'll use Nano Banana Pro, and here I will say, I'll tell it to turn this image to a cartoon. It should make the image to be in cartoon format. I'll just say, please make this image, okay, I'll just say, give me this image in cartoon format. Give me this image in cartoon format. Now I'll go ahead and hit generate. Now the good thing about Flow Beta is this: you can always tell it to generate 4 for you at a time. You can always tell it to generate 1 for you at a time, any one of your choice. I think in the comment section of one of my videos, someone asked, oh, Grow with Mimi, why are you always generating 4 at a time? Is there anything about that? There is nothing about it. It's just so that I can have options. So this is it. I'll go ahead and click on this 3 dot up there. I've clicked on download and it has downloaded. Now we come back here to this platform. Now I'll go ahead and click on AI creation again. I'll click on video, ensure it is under video. I'll click on reference. I'll bring in the image. I'll click on next. I'll put my prompt. I'll change the aspect ratio, and I'll go ahead and hit generate. Now once you go ahead to hit generate, let's wait for this AI tool to get done generating for us. At this point, $AI is done generating my video for me, so let's watch it together.
Why was I not given this wine since? This is very sweet, and I prefer it to the former.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.